Hey there, welcome back to another video. Younes Charfaoui is here, and in this video we are going to learn more about function, something called default values of the argument and named argument. Okay, so let's get started. If you remember from the previous video, we created a function that adds two numbers, x and y, and print them out. What we want to do here is to create y with the default value. Okay, you can do it by making the equal sign and your default value. If it is int, we'll print just 0 or whatever you want. Okay, I will put 0. Now, if you run this function, it will still print 12. But if you delete that y, it will use the default value. So 7 plus 0, it will print, this is it. Well, you can change it, for example, to 1, and it will print 8. Let's say I want to give y a value. Well, you can just give it like that for 7. But let's say I want to give that x a value of 7 by default. And the problem here is if you delete that x, you will still presenting 7. So if you add this, it will print always 8. But the required output is we want to put it for the y. So 7 plus that 7 will equal 14. To do that, we have to use named argument. So here you will name that I am passing the 7 to the y and not to the x. To do that, you have to put name of the argument like it is in the function and with the equal. You will see it is with blue, as you can see here. It is blue. So this is a named argument. If you run it, now it will print 14. Okay, because we are passing this 7 to this direct. If you want to use it for the x, well, you can change it this to x. Write again, and it will print 8. You can, well, put them both like that, y 4, for example, and always you can change their position and nothing will happen. It will pass the y to the, it will pass the 4 to the y and 7 to the x. Run it, it will work correctly. Let's maybe change that to 1, so it is not the same here, and it will print 5. So this is how you can create default value for arguments and also named arguments. So this is the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you didn't watch the video about defining a function and calling function, make sure to watch it here. Subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.